What's going on, everyone? So today we're going to be working on a 1977 Ford Camper Special. It's a Mallard. Pretty cool, huh? So got my buddy Josh here. He's throwing some fresh gas in, and I'm going to take my little adjustable wrench here and I'm going to put a fresh battery in there, and we're going to see if she fires up. All we had were these pitifully small gas tanks. That's my fault. So we got a couple of them that we're gonna use to throw in some fresh gas. Hopefully we don't need too much to just get it fired up, because we're not trying to get it to actually like move out of here. I know it'll drive. I drove it in here. We just need to actually get it firing. So that's the goal. Now up front here, we've got the venerated Ford 460 with a 4-barrel carb on there. Looks like we got an AC compressor, all kinds of good stuff. It's a little dusty, but it fired right up and drove over here from Pueblo, or from Canyon City to Pueblo the last time I drove it, so didn't really have many problems. It had a little bit of a speed wobble at like 45 to 50. But once you got up above that, it smoothed out. So here's where the battery's gonna go. We got another battery over there that it's toast, but that's mainly just for like the accessories and stuff. But here's where our real battery's gonna go, and we'll see if this thing cranks. Battery. Yeah. Alright, battery's down in there. We'll work on getting these cables all secured and stuff. Alright, first problem encountered. You go to put that on, see it doesn't go all the way on. Somebody has totally cinched those down because they probably put a smaller battery in here that wasn't the right size. So I gotta use a pair of needle nose and a flathead to uncinch that, and hopefully the other side's not the same way. Alright, so we got these terminals all mashed on and tightened up, I hope. Now, my buddy, he's in there. He's going to fire it up for me. I'm going to watch it and see what happens. You guys watch with me. Any day now. Any day now. Oh, it's trying. It's trying. Now we may need to get a little starting fluid for it. Hold on. Alright, so we're back from outer space. Had to go get some starting fluid. So, spray a little down in there. Whoops. Fucking Jim carried it. Yeah. Alright, see what she does. Well, it'll fire up off the fluid. Oh, God. Oh. Alright, I'm going to take the fluid away. Oh, God. Oh, my lungs. God, why are the wipers going? Alright, it's idling. Alright. Will the wipers turn off? Oh.
Trying to fucking figure it out. I can't find the switch.
Alright, hold on. Shit. Alright, give her another try. Let's see if it starts cold. Pump it a little bit when you do that. Oh, dang it. Keep going. Whoa. Yeah, I think we got a fuel issue. Alright. So it'll run. It'll idle for just a minute. Alright, are you helping that out at all? Keep hitting it a little bit. Just a little bit. Alright, so well, we may not have a fuel issue. I think it's just some old nasty gas in there. This thing's just trying to kick out all the cobwebs now, but it's running. From what I can see, put my hand on it, not hit the fan. And it feels like we might have a little bit of a misfire somewhere. It's shaking a little, but not bad. Not bad at all. And it's quiet. Super quiet. Like that. Alright. Oh, hey, what's up, kiddo? Alright.
Hey, what's up, kiddo? Nothing.
Alright. Let's go hear it idle in the back. Alright, that's sounding pretty good. Cool. Heck yeah, mission success.
Yeah.
Cool. Alright, yeah, let it run for a minute, see if it'll get up to temp, and then we'll see what she does after just a minute. Heck yeah, a little footage. There's the exhaust idling. This is burning my nose real bad, but sounds real good. Listen. Heck yeah. Give her some revs. Blow the dust out of her. Yeah, I see some dust. Man, sounding good. Heck yeah. Alright, we're up to temp. Everything's still looking good. Oil pressure, everything.
Yeah.
Man, heck yeah. Alright, kill it. Heck yeah, not bad for sitting almost 2 years. Shoot, more than 2 years, huh?
Well, now, yeah.
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 Shoot, that's been sitting three or more years now. God dang. Alright, let's disconnect this battery so it don't drain or something in case there's a draw on it. Alright folks, she's idling good now. We got good oil pressure, decent fuel. We're waiting for it to come up to temp. It's charging good. So once it comes up to temp, we'll know if the thermostat's opening or closing and the radiator's working good or not. But like I said, I drove it here from Canyon City to Pueblo and it didn't give me any problems at all. It purred like a kitten the whole way here. So I think this thing should do pretty good. And the inside is super nice. I mean, the seats have like minimal, just a little tearing around here, but they're still really nice. The whole like dash, everything in here, like you could throw a stereo right in. Whoop, there's the camera focusing. The dash, everything's still nice in here. All the door panels, it is super clean.
Yeah.
It's also for sale, by the way.
Wait,
Don't know if I mentioned that yet.
wait, it is?
It sure is. But yeah, super clean camper. I mean, considering it's a 1977, it's pretty nice. So if anybody out there watching this video wants to buy it, go ahead and check it out. It's a solid unit, man. And these old 460s, I mean, they're hard to kill. But you can see it's got the AC compressor on there, and oh man, that thing is so quiet now. It looks like it might still have a little bit of a misfire because the engine's shaking a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but it's purring. It sounds great. Nothing squeaking, nothing grinding. That's awesome. Alright guys, well, I think that's going to be it for this video today. Like, share, subscribe. Go watch all my content because I'm finally monetized. And if you want to buy this old thing, it's for sale for around 3-4K. Check it out. Get in touch.